guys, today's new video is gonna be a special one. I'm gonna bring you with me to see my family olive grove. At the moment they're picking out the olives and then we're gonna bring it to the mills where the olive oil is made. So I'm gonna share that with you and I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's do it. The olives harvest generally takes place from October until December. There are many collection methods. On our farm, we use this kind of umbrella around the tree to collect the olives that are dropped using the harvester, which are this kind of combs that shake the tree leaves to facilitate the fall of the olives. After harvesting, the olives are directly pressed in our mill. So in our olive grove, we have two different kinds of olive trees. One is called Biancolilla and one is called Nocellare, and they give two different kinds of olive oil. The one from Biancolilla is usually lighter and of a delicate kind of taste. Instead, the one from Nocellare is usually thicker and of a stronger taste. So basically, after the process of picking out the olives, we're gonna go to the mill. Let's do it. Having a private olive mill where only our olives are cold pressed allows us to ensure that the quality of the olives remains intact, because they're not mixed with other olives from different harvests that could compromise the quality. The milling of extra virgin olive oil can be divided into 5 main phases. Firstly, the olives are thrown into the machine, which transports them through the plant with an elevator belt. This silver tube that you see sucks away the leaves and twigs and discharges them outside. Then the olives fall into a tank where they are washed. From there, they pass to the crusher, where the olives are crushed until a coarse paste is obtained. Then they head towards this other tank, equipped with rotating blades where the so-called kneading takes place. So here the olive paste is slowly mixed around to break the water-oil emulsion that's created during the previous phase. This process takes less than 30 minutes to prevent that the temperature of the paste rises too much, and this guarantees a better quality of olive oil. Now the extraction phase begins. The paste obtained is passed into a centrifuge that separates the oil from the waste, such as pomace, which is the puree formed by the fragments of pits and peels that remain from the pressing of the olives. The last phase of the milling process is the separation, where the residues are separated from the oil quickly through a high-speed separator to maintain high product quality. And then our olive oil reaches the final container, placed in an air-conditioned room until the bottling. Now we're gonna fill the bottles with the freshly squeezed olive oil with this super cool machine. Let's do it. Bottling is done using this machine that automatically fills the bottles. In this other machine, we close them with the cap. We add the seal that is fixed with this sort of dryer. And finally, we label our olive oil. Here it is. When the olive oil is so fresh and genuine, I adore putting some salt and oregano and tasting it with some good bread. Thank you so much for following along up until here. See you next time. Bye bye.